Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 50, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, let's turn it off. So we do so by holding power key and then selecting power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. And when you see Honor logo on the screen, let go of only the power key, but you want to keep holding volume up. So power, volume up. There's Honor logo, let go of the power key. Once the Honor logo disappears, you can also let go of the volume up. There we go. As you can see, this boots us into recovery mode. So from here, all you really need to do is tap on the last option, safe mode, and this will reboot the device. Once it boots back up, it will be in, obviously, the desired mode. So there we go, now that it's back up, we are in safe mode. Now in this mode, only the pre-installed application will function. Anything that you have installed yourself will not be able to run, so you can basically troubleshoot your device in this mode. And once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you will need to do is hold your power key again, but this time around you want to select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will be back in normal mode. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.